Hello guys, welcome to Concept of Science. Today we will learn that what is DNA and what is gene and what is chromosome. DNA. What is a DNA? DNA is a double-stranded structure present in the nucleus of the cell which determines the property of that individual. It is made up of deoxyribonucleic acid. What are genes? Now genes are the part of the DNA. Suppose this is a DNA, then as shown here, this much information makes a gene, and there are thousands and thousands of genes, approximately 40,000 genes, and these genes determine the different types of individuals. Suppose one person is very tall, then that person has inherited the gene which helped him to get the hormone released in time so that he grew longer. There are other factors also involved, but mainly it is the gene, the basic genetic material, which helps in determining the phenotype, that is the external feature of an individual. Gene is all, gene controls all. Now we learned what is a gene and what is a DNA. DNA is the strand that contains the gene. Now what is a chromosome? When you have a DNA like this DNA is coiled time and again. This forms a structure of chromosome. So chromosome is nothing but compilation of DNA. DNA is nothing but compilation of genes. And all these things are present in the nucleus of the cell. This is the brain of the cell, which determines what kind of a cell it is, or what properties that cell will have and what function that cell will play in the life cycle of the individual. There are all the genes present in this DNA of a cell. There are some genes switched off and some genes switched on. Based on that, the property of the cell varies. Suppose there is a cell in the heart, it keeps on beating. The genes for that cell are different. Different pairs of genes are switched on in the heart cell, and that makes them keep on going because it never stops. The heart cells never stop. There are cells that are present on the skin, they have different functions. Then there are cells present in the lungs, they have different functions. There are cells in the blood, they have different functions, and that function is determined by the type of gene that is activated in that cell. This is the basic overview of gene, DNA and chromosome. We talked about chromosome. We have 23 pairs of chromosome. So 23 chromosome come from our mother and 23 chromosome come from our father. There are two chromosomes, or you can say homologous chromosomes of one type. Suppose there is one chromosome present here, then there is one other present which is coming from mother, and they make a pair of chromosomes, and we have 23 such pairs, that is 46 chromosomes. So we will go into detail of all this in our coming videos. Here we just gave you an overview in which we learned that genes are the part of DNA. DNA constitute the chromosome, and chromosome is present in the nucleus of the cell, which is the brain of the cell, and it determines the function that cell will perform. I'll be making more videos on the work of nucleus, on the work of chromosome, on the work of gene, and on the structure of DNA, and all other things that can be explained. Subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.